Alright, love the XJ. Really love this winch. Super strong, super powerful. Issue I have is this. It's supposed to hook here. You can never get it to catch right. Then it dangles, falls around, and I don't want to spool it up too tight and get this jammed and jack it up. So what's the solution? Talk to Match online, and they have what is called winch cable hook stoppers. Now, I ended up picking this up. It's like less than 20 bucks, and they give you two. So let's see what we got in here. All right, so basically what this does, goes on the end of your winch line right before your hook. So this comes back up against your flare head so it doesn't dangle, keeps it tight, and doesn't retract. They come in sets of two. You can get them in multiple different colors. I think on this one, I'm actually going to switch and do half red and half black to put them together. Individually packaged. www.otmatch.com. Comes with an Allen wrench. It's pretty simple to do. Unscrew this side, put it on the end close to your hook, and then tighten it back down, and then that's about it. Super good quality rubber, polyurethane, heavy duty. Let's see how it goes. All right, once you get the screws out with the provided Allen wrench, just separates in the center. There is metal underneath this polyurethane that helps hold it together. We're going to pull a little bit of rope out and see. Make sure the washers go back in on the bolt side, and then on the back side is just the locking nuts. All right, put them on. Ended up going with just red. Basically, you want to put the insert end towards your hook. Tighten it down. Looks great. Matches all my red accessories. We're going to see how it works. Works great. It's not going anywhere.